Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate croissants. We'll explore a simplified method that brings the joy of warm, flaky pastries right to your kitchen. You don't need extensive baking experience or fancy tools to achieve delicious results. We'll cover everything from essential ingredients to the final bake, ensuring you can confidently create these delightful treats in about 2 hours of active time. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of very cold unsalted butter, and 6 ounces of your favorite chocolate, preferably in chip or bar form. Don't forget a small packet of active dry yeast, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation for your delightful chocolate croissants. Our easy method simplifies the dough preparation. First, mix your flour, yeast, sugar, and salt with warm water, then chill the dough for at least 2 hours. Next, we'll incorporate the cold butter through 3 simple folding turns, creating those signature flaky layers without complex lamination. Finally, you'll add your 6 ounces of chocolate pieces before rolling and shaping your croissants. Once shaped, your croissants are ready for the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are puffed up. Let them cool for just a few minutes on a wire rack. Then, it's time to savor your warm, buttery, and chocolate-filled homemade croissants. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.